Okay.
This is your auto index. Disconnect your power here. This is your Y-axis. You're going to disconnect the power here. And then we're going to go to the front side.
Okay.
You've got your turret power here. Your X-axis power here. Your 4 feedback cables. These 4 here. And those all going to come out underneath of the cabinet there.
Okay.
Then you're going to come into here. You've got 2 connectors up on the top.
Right.
You got your fans here. You got your hydraulic motor here. Your press motor here. And then 2 feedback cables or input cables here.
Okay.
And that's all that's going to go out to this machine side.
All right, and that's all that's coming down through that
Yep.
chimney pipe. Okay. All right.
Yep.
Great.